Hey everyone, it's Henry at Mowers and Mowers. Good morning. Today I'm gonna sell my Craftsman self-propelled with a bagger. I had this in my shed, sitting there for about the entire winter. I remember, I think I drained the gas out of it last summer, but I'm not 100% sure. I have it listed for $175, but some guy wants to buy it and he offered me $150. I'm cool with $150, provided it works. So I'm gonna add some gas in here and hopefully it'll fire right up. I'm gonna put some gas in here. Let's loosen the bowl nut and take the bowl off, just to see what we're working with here. And the bowl does have some sediment. I wiped the bowl clean. It only had some sediment in it. I'm using some Seafoam spray. I'm going to try to blow out this jet a little bit. So it still won't start. I can't figure it out. Took off the bowl again, looked inside, still clean. I almost feel like the timing's off. Ran great last year. Anyway, I took the spark plug out and it was really oily and black and old. So this is a new spark plug. Not new, but better shape. I'm gonna put this in and see what happens. Just won't stay started. I'm gonna have to take off some more stuff. I don't want to, but if I want to sell this thing, I got to take off more stuff. I've taken this apart and put it back together again, and it still won't start. It's got 40 or 50, 45 or 50 compression. That's very bad. There's no compression in here. That's the reason why. I think that there might be an old Toro recycler that looks crappy, but it has a good engine on it. It's quantum, just like that. Maybe I'll do a swap-a-roo on the engine, huh? Anyway, this is an old Toro recycler. I've had it for a couple of years. We're going to be taking the engine off of this deck, as you can see. Put some deep creep penetrating oil in from Seafoam. See if we can extract these bolts without stripping them. This engine's done ski, so we can't use it. Now all we got to do is just try it. Wipe it down real quick. 2 seconds. Hopefully I'll be able to sell this thing that we just finished for 150 bucks.